Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best PiggyVest tips for earning monthly interest, and here's the breakdown. If you want your money to grow every month on PiggyVest, here are some smartest tips that really works. First, use the safe lock. Locking your savings for a fixed period usually earn higher interest than keeping it flexible. So set a timeline you are comfortable with and your balance will grow faster over time. Next, fund your savings regularly. Automatic deposit weekly or monthly also help your balance stay high, and since interest is often calculated on your current balance, more savings equal to more interest. Finally, keep an eye on PiggyVest promos. Sometimes they boost interest or offer bonus rate on select plan. Combine consistent funding with safe lock and your monthly interest adds on nicely. If this helps you, like the video, subscribe for more simple money tips, and comment which PiggyVest trick you would like to use first. And that's it.